Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to time remap on Node Video. First, open your project and select the video clip you want to adjust. Navigate to the clip's properties panel, usually found on the right side of your screen. Look for the time remap setting and toggle it on. This action will reveal a new timeline specifically for speed adjustments, allowing you to precisely control your footage's pace. Now, let's add some keyframes. Position your playhead at the exact moment you want your speed change to start. Tap the small plus icon on the time remapping timeline to place your first keyframe. Then, move the playhead to where you want the speed change to conclude and add a second keyframe. These 2 points define the segment of your video that will experience a speed alteration. With your keyframes set, you can now adjust the speed. Simply drag the line segment between your 2 keyframes upwards to make that section play faster, or downwards to slow it down. For smoother, more cinematic transitions, tap on the curve editor. Here, you can manipulate the Bezier handles to create gentle ramps for acceleration and deceleration, avoiding abrupt jumps in playback speed. Before finalizing, always preview your work. Play through your clip multiple times to ensure the time remapping flows perfectly and achieves your desired effect. If anything looks off, simply adjust your keyframes or refine the curve shapes. Once you are completely satisfied, proceed to export your video. Select your preferred resolution, such as 1080 pixels, and frame rate, like 60 frames per second, for a high-quality output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.